Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about another one of our three-dimensional shapes. We've already talked about spheres, made up of that curved line, and we've talked about cubes with those 6 flat surfaces or faces and edges and vertices. Today we're going to be talking about cylinders. So the first thing you can be getting this paper out and get your name on it, and I'm just going to kind of do the sorting activity. We're going to kind of talk through it together since you don't have shapes at home with you right now. Alright, so get your name on the top, and then we're going to kind of talk through this, and I'm going to sort my shapes into shapes that are a cylinder and shapes that are not a cylinder. So what about this one? Is this a cylinder? No, we've already learned this one. This is a sphere. What about this one? Is this a cylinder? No, that's a cone. Is this one a cylinder? Yes, this is a cylinder. It has those 2 flat surfaces or faces. It also has a curved line. It's kind of a shape that has a little bit of everything. And is this a cylinder? No, this is a cube. So we have our cylinder on one side and our shapes that are not a cylinder on the other. Sphere, cone, and cube. We're going to go open up and talk through some more about a cylinder. Alright, when you get turned to the inside, you can put your finger on that red apple. This is kind of a tricky one. It wants us to think about, does a cylinder have a flat surface or a curved surface? I want you to think about that for a minute and see what you think. Let's look at our cylinder. Does it have a flat surface or a curved surface? A cylinder has both, doesn't it? The middle part is curved, that's why it can roll. But the top and bottom are flat, that's why it can stack. So it has both. A cylinder has a flat surface and a curved surface. There's a picture down here of a cylinder. It wants to know how many flat surfaces our cylinder has, so let's look at it. I see 1, 2. A cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. Top and bottom are flat. So we're going to write a 2. Alright, I'm going to let you go on a little cylinder hunt. You find all the cylinders you can on this page and put an X on them, and then we will check it. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to put an X on all the cylinders you see. Alright, time's up. Let's see what you found. I see a can of tuna that is shaped like a cylinder. I see a can of tennis balls that is shaped like a cylinder. And I see this paper tube down here that is shaped like a cylinder. They have a flat surface on top and bottom and a curved surface in the middle. If you got all those right, you can give yourself a big check or fix it if you need to. Let's turn on the back. I'm going to describe a shape, and I want you to look at these 2 at the top by the red apple, and I want you to mark an X on the shape you think I'm describing. I have 2 flat surfaces. Which shape am I? Which one of these shapes has 2 flat surfaces? Mark an X on it. And down here at the bottom, I want you to think about something you know in real life that is shaped like a cylinder and draw and color me a picture of it. And we will talk about our other 3D shapes and do some more work with all of our 3D shapes at school next week.